Alvin Orlando Palapala. You are charged with preparation to commit subversive activities contrary to Section 77(1)(3)(b) of the Penal Code, and Mr. Alvin Orlando Palapala between the 12th day of July 2023 and 21st day of July 2023 within Nairobi City County in the Republic of Kenya, jointly with others not before court, incited and mobilized members of the public to commit subversive activities, namely disobedience to lawful authority. Is it true or not true?
Not true.
Not true. Mr. Anthony Tom Owuoch, you are charged with preparation to commit subversive activities contrary to Section 77(1)(3)(b) of the Penal Code, Cap 63 of Kenya, and Mr. Anthony Tom Owuoch between the 6th day of July 2023 and the 19th day of July 2023 within Nairobi City County, jointly with others not before court, incited and mobilized members of the public to commit subversive activities, namely disobedience to the lawful authority. Is it true or not true?
Not true, Your Honor.
Motok, you are charged with participating in a subversive activities contrary to Section 77(1)(3)(b) of the Penal Code, and Peter Imotok on the 12th day of July 2023 between 10 a.m. and 6 p.m. in Nairobi within Nairobi County in the Republic of Kenya, jointly with others not before court, incited and mobilized members of the public to commit subversive activities, namely disobedience to the lawful authority. Is it true or not true?
Not true.
But Your Honor, when people tortured in the manner Honorable Owuoch has been tortured appear before court, I appeared once as a state officer, and I got to appreciate why we call the courts the temple of justice. Honorable Owuoch is an advocate of the High Court, and Your Honor remembers our oath of office to stand with the rule of law and assist in the fair administration of justice. Because I serve in the committee which oversees the police, Your Honor, may I remind them, through you, of the provisions of Article 238, sub-Article 2, and Article 239 of the Constitution, which require them to always uphold the Constitution, the human rights of the people, and the rule of law, which obligates them not to further the political cause of any party or prejudice the cause of anybody. And I'm saying this because I know, and you see by the accused people being brought before you, there is an order that all opposition MPs must be brought to court at MCS, including myself. They are waiting for me out and deal with them when I come before them. The point I'm making, Your Honor, is that we are sliding back, and the court is remaining as the only institution Kenyans can come before. Parliament has been muscled, independent officers muscled, independent commissions muscled. We only remain with the court. We only remain with the court to come before. May the court step into the gap and release the accused on free bond. May there be a policy that for these charges, people can be released on free bond henceforth. So I say before, the remands are full of people who have not committed any wrong.
I have considered the submissions. The defense be supplied with copies of witness statements and documentary exhibits intended to be relied on by the prosecution. I have also perused the documents presented by the defense counsel, including ruling delivered in the High Court, miscellaneous case number E272 of 2023, wherein the accused was granted anticipatory bail of Kenya shillings 100,000 I have noted that the said matter has been scheduled. I have noted that the said matter has a scheduled date of 26th of September this year before the High Court. Issues relating to alleged contempt of the said order of the High Court ought to be dealt with by the High Court itself, because this court has jurisdiction to only deal with issues of contempt in facie curiae before it, as per the provisions of Section 10 of the Magistrates' Courts Act. In my view, the anticipatory bail of the High Court remains in place until and unless the same is either vacated or set aside, and therefore there is no need for another one. The accused is granted bond of Kenya shillings 100,000 with one contact person and pretrial before court number 4 on 8th of August this year.